Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have the account and goals, now act. Pick 3 core goals: who you serve, what mood you want, and the value you deliver. Open Instagram and shortlist 8-10 accounts that attract your desired audience, then save their top 20 posts. Once done, capture repeated colors, composition styles, caption tones, and hashtag groupings into one folder. This quick research jumpstarts theme discovery and prevents guessing later. Make sure to keep notes visible for the next hands-on step. You now look for repeatable structures. Count how often a color, layout, or caption style appears and convert that into simple metrics: color usage percentage, recurring grid patterns, caption length averages. Next, design a 9-post mock grid that reflects those metrics so you can preview cohesion. Draft 3 caption templates that match voice and CTA rhythm, and choose 2 fonts, 1 color palette, and a posting cadence. Once aligned, this becomes a reproducible theme you can test and iterate. You're ready to test. Publish your 9-post grid over about 3 weeks and monitor engagement metrics like saves, shares, and follower growth. Make only 1 change per testing cycle, swap a color, alter caption tone, or tweak CTA so you know what moves the needle. If results fall short, troubleshoot. Ensure your target audience matches your content and maintain posting consistency. Often cadence or unclear value is the culprit. Then iterate based on data until the theme reliably attracts the right audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.